Greetings Kaiju fans, it's Thomas here, and today we have a spectacular box day. And this is one that's been on my list for some time, and I do recall seeing it once in recent years, and I thought the price was just too much, considering the retail was still pretty expensive for an older item. And I ended up waiting and holding off, and once I reconsidered, it was sold, of course. So I've been regretting it every day, or whenever I remember, I regret it. So this one popped up, and I had to jump on it, and it's a little bit more than I was hoping to pay. But you know, in this hobby, there's going to be some items that you're going to pay a little extra for, and hopefully this is going to be worth it. I mean, I just have to see it in hand. I've seen some videos of it in the past, and that just got me more excited. So, all right, let's go ahead and get this big box open right now. This thing is really good. All right, guys, that was a struggle. They wrapped it really nice. I mean, they had it really secure. I mean, the box arrived in basically perfect condition. It didn't get banged up at all, and it arrived pretty fast too. So let's open this top and check it out. Okay, I did say in the past that I would try to avoid this unboxing stuff and just kind of move on to the figure as soon as possible to save some time, but this one's an exception, so I'm gonna take my time a little bit and enjoy this one. This one is too cool. So this is the original shipper, and as you guys know, this is the Bandai 1974 RC remote control Mecha Godzilla. Basically, he's a gigantic. He's about 18 inches tall, and I need to get a bigger table, guys. This is like a chore every time. Holy cow, this box is massive. Okay, I got it. Let's put this box to the side. The shipper's standard. Here he is, folks. This is the massive Mecha Godzilla box. Ooh. Oh boy, I am getting hyped, guys. Instruction manual, comes with instruction manual, cool. All right, then we have to move on to the inside. Yes, he did tape it, or he just put the tape back over it. Okay. Oops, came off. Oh my, guys, holy, make sure this guy doesn't topple. Whoa, I caught something. Check it out, guys. Oh my god. This dude is totally rad. Before the X Plus 74 gigantic, we have this insane monstrosity. I don't think there's any batteries inside. No. Oh, I'm shaking. This is the 1974 Mecha Godzilla by Bandai. Holy smokes, he is awesome. Oh, I can't even, I'm like shell shocked. Can't believe I actually got it. Got this crazy controller. Look at that. I'm sure some of you guys have seen the video of this guy on YouTube. What is this? Oh, he's got a heavy tail, guys. Oh my. Alright, so as you can see, it's basically gigantic size. And really nicely done, actually. So you know what's up next? It's going to be demonstration time. So let's get to that most fun part right now. Behold, humans, I have control of Mechagodzilla, and with this device, he will destroy you. Now, Mechagodzilla, I want to see everything you got. And I'm back, guys. Hopefully you guys liked the demonstration of this RC Mechagodzilla. This guy came out in 2008. Really not too much more to say other than he is awesome. Got a really good instruction booklet. It's probably got the story of how this came to be, and it's got detailed instructions, pictures, all this stuff. I'm pretty sure he can walk around. I saw in other video he's walking around in circles and stuff. So obviously I can't do that on this table. He's gonna fall and I'm gonna break him. So yeah, so he came out in 2008, and I could have sworn he may have came out maybe 2009 again as a reissue. I'm not sure, but I rarely see this guy. And if you look around, he's very expensive. I don't want to say how much, but I'm sure you guys can look it up. Anyways, I am thrilled that I have this guy. I mean, as far as a review score, I mean, I got to give it a 10. I mean, this guy is just outrageously cool. And, for a Bandai, I mean, he is just, he is great. So I'm going to wrap this up by grabbing a couple of Gigantics to compare him with them. So let's do that right now. For comparison number one, we have him next to the X Plus 1954 FSL Gigantic Godzilla that just came out. As you can see, Mechagodzilla definitely is gigantic sized. For comparison number two, of course, I had to bring the X Plus Gigantic. And as you can see, he is one fantastic figure. But RC Mechagodzilla, what do you have to say about that? That's right. The X Plus cannot do that. Okay, so for our final comparison, we have the X Plus 25 centimeter 1975 Rick Godzilla. And he is holding Mechagodzilla's head. And it looks like Mechagodzilla is not happy to see that. So, some final brief words on this fantastic Bandai 2008 remote control 1974 Mechagodzilla is that he is an awesome piece, awesome toy, awesome collectible. And if you guys can pick it up for any kind of decent price, I highly recommend it. It's this guy unfortunately is going for quite a bit. So I don't know how successful you'll be. I was looking for a while, and I'm just glad that I have them. You know, like I said earlier, I don't think I'll be quitting work anytime soon. I'm gonna have to work some extra days now, but you know, no regrets. Only live once. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick review, and you guys have a great day. Check us out on Facebook at Kaiju Collectors, and also our YouTube channel called Monsters with Attitude. And that's it, guys. Take care and be safe. Bye bye.